These are the things you'll need. First, you'll need a plain white piece of paper, just like this. Next, you'll need a square piece of paper. This piece is 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, so it's a perfect square. You could also use a smaller piece of paper. This is some fancy origami paper. Any color you like. You'll need a pair of scissors, some glue, a glue stick would work, a black marker, and maybe a black pen if you like. And that's it. And now we'll fold our piano. First, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Then we'll fold it in half again. Just like that, making careful to match up our edges and make a good sharp crease. Then we'll fold each side in to meet the center fold, like that, and like that. So it should look like this now. Next, we'll open this up and open our pockets so you can see the other color. And fold that down just like that. Fold down the triangle. Like so. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Open the pocket. And fold it down. Next, we'll take the center flap and fold it over once. And make our crease. And then a second time. And make our crease. It's just a little tight there. Then we'll fold our sides in one more time. If we open that and let this fold up just a little bit, we have our piano. It stands right up, doop, just like that. At this point, we want to take our white paper and cut a strip about that wide, about 1 inch wide. And then measure that strip to fit our piano. About there. Next, we'll decorate that strip with our marker with keys in groups of 2 and 3. And you might like to take your black pen or the same marker and make a line up to each black key and a long line in between groups. You can take your glue and put some on the back and put it right onto your piano. Just like that, you have a wonderful origami piano.